Troy. Hey, Troy, why are you eating hot fries in front of the camera?
What?
Why are you eating hot fries in front of the camera?
Oh! Welcome to stupid reviews. This is a review on hot fries. Andy Caps hot fries. Not just any hot fries, Andy Caps hot fries. This is what one looks like. This one's like, you know what? We'll just eat that one and find a bigger one.
All that's left is covered in stupid
That kind of sounded gay. That's what one looks like.
No, mine!
Bro! Shut up and get out of my video. As you can see, this is the big. I mean the big bag.
The big bag.
Don't know if you can read that. Hold on. It says life is better with a side of fries. They come in 3 flavors: hot fries, cheddar fries, barbecue fries. Get the hot fries! If you want to know how hot these things are, just check this out.
By the way, this is episode 4.
Shut up. Okay, so this was Stupid Reviews, episode 4, on Andy Caps hot fries, not just any hot fries. Thanks for watching. Keep watching. Bye.